have to find and get your Roblox user ID on a mobile. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is essentially a unique way to go and identify your account to go and do this. We can't actually do it in the Roblox app. It's what we need to do is come out of it and go open up a web browser. If you're on an iPhone, you could use Safari or Chrome on an Android. It really doesn't matter. Now, what we need to do is go ahead to roblox.com. Now come to the bottom and tap on Continue in Browser like so, and you now need to go and enter in your username, email, or phone and your password. After you successfully logged in, you need to press Continue in Browser again. And here we are. We're now on the Roblox site. And what you need to do is tap the three lines in the top left, and you then need to go down and tap on Profile. And that'll bring you here. And then to get your user ID, it's super straightforward. You need to go down to the URL bar and tap there. And if you go and tap, you can now go start selecting the address. What you need to do is go and get the numbers, which are after user slash and before slash profile. I've got them selected there. Then we can press copy, and that's it. That is your user ID.